Okay, so let's run through the SSL certificate issue. We talked about this. SSL certificates are important. They provide cryptographic function. They are used in search rankings. They're valuable. If you've ever been to a website that had a wonky SSL cert, you've noticed it, and it's probably made you question whether or not you should do business with that organization. So having valid and managed SSL certificates is useful, valuable, it's needed. PCI requires you to have it. That's a compliance thing. So how do we handle that when it's such a mismanaged thing, and when there's entire companies that are out there that have been built around just taking care of SSL certs? Is there a better way to do that? Let's look at this. So, okay, so you've been to websites in the past where there's been a bad SSL certificate. Like I talked about before, SSL certificate management's a nightmare. You got all kinds of problems that are built into that. There's entire companies that are wrapped around this problem. How do we change the approach? Let's look at what it looks like when we have a bad SSL certificate management issue taking place. You've probably seen this in the past going to different websites. So there's the site. We're using the same vulnerable juice application. Here's your old juice app to buy your juicy juice. Click on the link. Notice that you see that it's no good. Connection is not secure. There's no TLS, no SSL, nothing taking place, unsafe site, etc. You're going to look at it. Nothing good is going on here. The certificate is not managed at all. So this is a problem. This is not what you want to see. And it is a very, very big issue, like I showed earlier. Now, can we solve that problem with the web application isolation approach and do it easily without a whole lot of problem? Sure. Let's check that out. And again, here we are. Let's back this up. Same application, same sort of thing, same problem we're going to solve. All we've done is apply the WAI approach to this. Now you notice again, there's that long URL qualifier. People call it different things, maybe a qualifier, but you'll also notice there's that red box that's showing us that something is taking place here. So we know something's occurring. Now look, there's the connection secured. SSL certificates are valid and updated and applied. Oh, and by the way, when you go look, all of that has been managed. What did we do? Did we go off and pay for somebody to take care of this and manage our SSL certificate stuff, whatever else? No, we use the policy side of web application isolation to apply those controls and do it at speed, at scale, and make it where it's very, very easy for the user and the endpoint entity, if you will.
ZTEdge, the simple, affordable way to move to zero trust security.